Okay, just like in the last lamp that we did, we need to open this up and shell modify this. So we have a little thickness on here just to revise it. So if we have an angle, we could put actually a light bulb in here and put a light source in here if we wanted to for our scene. So how do we do that? I think we got to go to the top view here to rotate it down. And then we're going to use our selection tool. Remember, we have two. One is window crossing, and the other is, or one is window and one is crossing. So we want to just get the bottom polys. Okay, so if I click on these, and if it doesn't give you these, let's see here. You may have to click on it in the scene here. I don't want scaling tool. We have, if we lose the tools, we may have to reconvert to editable poly again, just to make sure our tools show up. Sometimes we lose them. Now let's try. All right, now we are good to go. So I'm going to go back to my top view, and we're going to pan down, and we want this to also say top here, and we are going to use this. I think this is the wrong one. We don't. If I do crossing, it would trim off there. Okay, let's try it. I'm just going to hit. I can use the remove tool, and let's rotate and see. No, the remove tool didn't do anything. If I hit delete, it opens that up. So that would be one option there. The other would be, if I go back into my top view, change this to the inside the window, and now we'll try drawing another window around here. And we want as bare minimum as we want. So that does just a little bit less, and we hit delete. Either way, you choose which one you want to do. Okay, and then let's see. We want to select the whole element here. That is this, the lampshade. We have an issue with the way the lathe tool worked and the angle of this. What we want to do is we also want to clean up these as well. So let's go like this. Inside of here, we want to just select these tools here. So I may just, there's only a few, I may go around here and click on all of them real quick and delete them. Let's see how that turns out. What we don't want is we don't want a big hole on the top of our lamp. Okay, that looks like we are okay. We didn't delete anything that's visible on the top of our lamp. Okay, so that should work. And let's see what we got here. Okay, that's cleaned up. The last thing we want to do here is grab the element, and we're going to add a shell modifier on here. So we have a little thickness. So we're going to go into our modifier list, go down, grab the shell, and we'll add like a 1/10 of an inch would be plenty. I'm going to put it on the inside because we modeled the outside in the view that we wanted. 1/10 of an inch is fine. Kind of gives us that rolled sheet metal look. And all right, we have one last video to do. We will see in the next one when we're going to do the base of our lamp so that we can mount this onto the wall. Thanks for joining me, and we will see you in the next one. Keep on designing.